learning from today's session, beginning with Akanksha.
Communication is redundant if there's no feedback.
Okay, and cortisol?
Cortisol levels should be managed at all times. Health is wealth.
Yes, it's a stress hormone. Muskan.
Take initiative, don't hesitate.
And even if you have to wait for your turn, then have patience. Yes.
I gained a lot of confidence in the session today.
What was the outcome of the research you did on 2 rats?
We found out that if the cortisol levels are high, then we will have low metabolism and we will gain more weight.
Yeah, so therefore we have to maintain our cortisol
Yeah.
levels, right? So that we can absorb food better. Yes.
So my learning will be that everything is in our mind. We have to control our mind to control our health and everything else.
Okay.
So my learning is common sense को परायवाची करना.
ओके, कॉमन सेंस और चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एक दूसरे के पर्यायवाची हैं और वो तब होगा जब हम अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखेंगे.
My learning will be we should be more health conscious and we should take initiative that will definitely build up our confidence.
प्रशंसा जी, उस लड़के का नाम क्या है?
Chetan.
वेरी गुड. दारिब.
Today I understand the meaning of a smile and how to break the ice to start the conversation with anyone.
थैंक यू. चेतन.
Yes. Today I have learned that we should never miss our breakfast.
Never miss breakfast. Yes, because breakfast skip करने से डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा था? माइग्रेन होता है.
My learning is health is not only about physical, it's about emotional, social, mental.
Very good. Mental, spiritual.
My learning is today I learn how to live a life.
Okay, thank you.
Increase your connections.
Okay, thank you.
My learning is as a future professional you should develop an analytical mind.
Okay, और आकांक्षा जी की ना आएगा था? We're getting there. Yes.
Sir, I got to have a call with the OTP CEO, so it was great.
Okay, and I hope you appreciate how to understand different models. Okay.
My learning is we have to listen properly and then we have to react.
Yes, listening very essential.
Stay calm, you will find solution of everything.
Right, there is no world record. It's very simple stuff.
Never hesitate to communicate to others.
Thank you.
Our learning would be that if you develop your analytical skills, you can have an edge over the competition.
Thank you.
My learning is how to communicate in stressful environment.
That's right. Stress and pressure will be there. The idea is you still have to perform.
My learning is don't hesitate to give feedback.
Yes, feedback, very important element of communication.
I would like to thank you, sir, for pushing us to participate at every aspect.
Thanks, Aryan, and congratulations for getting the 4 squares activity right.
Thank you, sir.
Always keep the humor alive in your life.
Yeah, sense of humor most essential.
I would like to say that mainly to engage the listeners when you're speaking is the most
Yes,
important.
yes. Engage your audience.
My learning is health is very important and health is wealth.
Thank you.
My learning is that we should be in a happy state of mind and music can cure a lot of
Yes,
diseases.
scientifically proven, right? That music can be used as medicine.
Whenever you present any topic you have to use examples, practical situations, you have to write, speak, everything. This will help you to communicate with the audience.
Thank you.
CA course itself is a complete course. We just need to focus on the communication skills to get to the top.
जी, नाम से भी और जीवन से भी हम सम्यक हैं.
So for any message being effective, every aspect should be covered. The feedback too.
Okay, thank you.
पढ़ाई लिखाई के साथ साथ मजे भी लो जिंदगी के.
Thank you, Neil Krishna. You enjoyed that 10 seconds on beach.
My learning is how to connect with our audience.
Thank you.
Mental health is very important. Music helps a lot in managing stress.
Okay, thank you.
Be an active listener.
Right, and the patience, madam, you showed today. You know, the income tax portal was playing up a few times, but thank you.
So today I learned that feedback देना और लेना बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है आपके लिए.
Thank you, Subrati ji.
I learned how can a smile and a good tone can help you engage with the audience.
And your tone was very polite. Very polite.
I learned how to connect with audience and smile.
Thank you.
In our professional life, whenever we come across senior citizens and people who are not able to understand what we say, we should be very patient with them and we should try our best to make them understand what they have to do.
Okay, thank you for the sunlight.
Feedback is very important for a good communication.
Thank you.
What change is required to a CA?
Okay, and what is RBC? And what is RCB?
Royal Challengers Bangalore.
Yes.
Focus on mental health along with the physical health too.
Right. Thank you, Sakshi. And when we present, and when somebody gives feedback, the emotional connect,
Yeah.
not just the words, the feelings behind it, very important.
Panic can create problems and calmness can create solutions easily.
Okay. और 1 जुलाई से कौन से कानून आ रहे हैं?
भारतीय न्याय संहिता.
Thank you.
हंसो, खुश रहो, मुस्कुराओ और न्यूट्रिशियस खाना खाओ.
How to connect with the audience and how to make them comfortable.
Okay.
You need to create your own chance. No one will give you.
Okay.
I had two major learnings from this session. First one is that building network requires very less investment, yet has very big, huge returns. Second one is investment in health, or being health conscious is the most important thing in life.
Okay. Thank you. Ansh.
Hi, this is Anish Agarwal and my learning is to be happy and be peaceful all the time.
Okay. 35 सेकंड के बाद बाकी काउंटिंग नहीं करनी थी आपको? Okay. Yes.
If you want to grow, be bold enough to make a fool out of yourself.
Okay. You know, you have to come and face the music. And then finally when criticism become compliments, that is music to your ears. So wish you health and wealth.